You can see you will get this spacious living area. Opposite to your dining corner is your kitchen. This over here is your most spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Shriji Skyrise by Shriji Sharan Group of Companies located in Kandivali West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the tower and the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. You can see the project is located right opposite Fire Brigade Station. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now we are standing at the actual lobby of the project. You can see this over here is the actual lobby. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.75 acres that will have one tower of 2 basement plus ground plus 10 level of podium plus 11th and 12th floor for amenities plus 45 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now before getting into the amenities, I would like to tell you that we are standing at the indoor games room of the project. You can see this over here is your indoor games room. And now talking about the amenities, you will be getting 30 plus amenities within the project that will have infinity swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on SV Road, right opposite Fire Brigade Station, Kandivali West, from where Kandivali Railway Station is only at a distance of 300 meters, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 2.8 kilometers, Kandivali Metro Station is at a distance of 2.3 kilometers, and you have school, colleges, hospital all at the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are standing at the 3 BHK of the residential project Shriji Skyrise. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1071 square feet. As we enter, you can see you will get this spacious living area where you can place your sofas, center tables and customize your TV unit. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Also, you can see your living is very spacious. You also have some extra space over here that you can customize by your choice. And you will be getting full French windows with a balcony. And we are standing at the actual tower so you can see the actual view from the project. And over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meals with your family. Opposite to your dining corner is your kitchen where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. You can see your kitchen is very spacious and you also have space provided to place your refrigerator. And you also have space provided to place your washing machine in the other corner, besides which is your half French windows and glass facade for ventilation and view. Moving forward, on this side, on both my side, we have entrance to all your master bedrooms, and before that over here, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Besides, your common washroom is your first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed, your side tables. You can see you have extra space in this master bedroom where you can make your seating corner. You can customize your study corner or your makeup corner as well. And in that corner is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. You will be getting half French windows with glass facade in this master bedroom for beautiful standing balcony view. Also, this is the actual view from this side, and you also have cross ventilation as you have one window on this side as well, and you will be getting your wardrobe space over here that you can customize by your choice. Over here we have your second master bedroom where you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom privacy, and next to the entrance is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this is the space of your second master bedroom where you can place your bed and side tables. You have walkable space even after placing your furniture. And you can also customize your wardrobes by your choice and build lofts if you want. Also, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for safety and standing balcony view. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project, and we also give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project. And then, if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the most spacious master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you can see you have a very spacious foyer area that gives your bedroom 100% privacy. And as you'll enter on the right, you have a walk-in wardrobe space that is very spacious and you can customize it by your choice. And towards the left is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And as you move forward, you can see this over here is your most spacious master bedroom where you can place your king size bed, your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can also customize your makeup corner or your seating corner over here, and you can also customize your TV units. You will be getting half French windows with glass facades in this bedroom, again for a beautiful standing balcony view. And this was your 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Shriji Skyrise. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Shriji Skyrise by Shriji Sharan Group of Companies located in Kandivali.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.